Now, second in the process of organizing is identifying the activities. Now, while identifying the activities, it must be clearly kept in mind that first all the necessary activities is being clearly identified, or you can say list down all the activities which you are being required, and also check it out that no essential activity has been ignored. It is been also seen that there should be no overlapping and duplication of activities. That is, activity cannot be or you can say the same activities must not be performed every time or twice at the same time. And it is also being checked that these activities must be performed in a coordinated manner. That is, there should be no burden of work and must be shared among the employees. So, in identifying the activities, three things to be considered. What are they? All major activities must be listed down. No essential activity to be ignored. There is no overlapping and duplication of activities, and these activities must be performed in a coordinated manner.